ellipses. An ellipse is the locus of points such that the sum of the distances from any point on the ellipse to two fixed points remains constant. These fixed points are called the foci of the ellipse. D sub 1 plus D sub 2 remains constant for all points on the ellipse. So let's take a look at the diagram of an ellipse. In an ellipse, you're going to have a focus here and another focus here. And the exact point of focus depends upon your D sub 1 plus D sub 2. Now, you will also be given a single point on the ellipse, and then the distance from one focus to that single point is called D sub 1. And then the distance from the other focus to that single point is your D sub 2. And we'll talk more about this as we do the notes. So some of the confusion that you might be feeling right now will be cleared up as we go.